So since the price of Bitcoin right now is flashing us a very interesting scenario, I am sure you guys want to find out what is next, in which trading direction the price in the medium short term and even for the upcoming days might be possibly heading. If that is the case, then please guys, please do not skip this video. Watch this video till the end and destroy that like button now and not at the end. Thank you very much. Now, first thing first, let's look at this crypto total market cap, because on our previous video, when we saw this crypto total market cap breaking out of this 2.7 trillion resistance line, what followed after that? A very bullish candle. I mean, this here is a monthly chart of crypto total market cap. So just like from this past price action, if you look at this crypto total market cap, it is clearly breaking here to the upside. And the number one reason why we are expecting this crypto total market cap to go even higher, because parallelly you can see the USDT dominance is breaking here to the downside. And if this continuation plays out, I mean, lower highs, lower lows continuation plays out, you can see this USDT dominance is expected to go below 3%. And if we see this heading towards the lower trend line before bouncing like this, right, showing a move in this manner, until then we are expecting this bullishness to continue in price action of Bitcoin and entire crypto market. Yes guys, because in a bigger picture, Bitcoin, according to Wyckoff's price cycle, might have just started with this new markup phase. You can see in the past price action, when the price of Bitcoin broke out of the previous high, flipped that into support, it has resulted in some very bullish move. Broke the previous high, flipped it into support, resulted in a very bullish move. So in our case, we have already broken out of the previous high, and now according to this Wyckoff's price cycle, you can see before starting with an actual corrective move for us, we have to complete this markup phase. And before that, what is expected? This trend to continue even higher. I mean, Bitcoin is expected to go even higher according to this Wyckoff's price cycle, and only after that we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to form a distribution area, and only after that another continuation like this. But until then, we have a lot of room here to the upside. And not just only the Wyckoff price cycle pointing us the upcoming days for Bitcoin in a bigger picture looks bullish, but even according to this cup and handle pattern, and you can see according to this cup and handle pattern, since the price of Bitcoin has also broken out from this handle, also broken out of this neckline, now we are expecting this bullishness to continue. And if this exact scenario is going to play out according to this cup and handle pattern, you can see our price objective sits in between 110,000 to 120,000. Yes guys, 110, 120,000 is going to be looked as our next price objective in a bigger picture, because we know beside this cup and handle, we also found out with the help of this Elliott wave theory, this bullish move could be a formation of our impulsive wave 5, which could be above 100,000. And only after that we are expecting this corrective move A, B, C to play out. But until then, you can see even according to this Elliott wave theory in a weekly time frame, Bitcoin is expected to show more bullishness. And now, beside this Elliott wave theory, beside this cup and handle pattern, beside this Wyckoff's price cycle, what I want you guys to look at is this descending broadening wedge. According to this descending broadening wedge, a bullish continuation pattern. If the price of Bitcoin is going to head towards the price objective from this trend line, where is it going to be? You can see again around 110, 120,000. Yes guys, even according to this descending broadening wedge, after breaking out of the upper trend line, now this is actually considered as a continuation, a bullish continuation with price objective in between 110, 120,000. So according to this descending broadening wedge in a weekly time frame as well, 110, 120,000 is expected. And not just only this guys, let me also show you with another example here in a yearly columns, right? This is in a yearly time frame. Why we were expecting this bullishness, or why we are expecting this bullishness to continue, because in history we have found out Bitcoin has never had two consecutive red years in a row. And if you look at this all the way from 2011, you can see one bearish year, two consecutive bullish year. 2014 was a bearish year, but right after that you can see 15, 16, 17 was a very bullish year. One bearish year, three consecutive bullish years. So in our case, 2022 was a bearish year. Now what could be following, just like from this past price action, 1, 2, 3 consecutive bullish years. And now in our case, not just only this 2023-24 is bullish, but even the upcoming year 2025 is expected to be bullish. Yes guys, according to these yearly columns, the upcoming year 2025 is also expected to be bullish, and only after that we are going to focus on this bearish move. So what am I trying to show you here in a bigger picture? Bitcoin actually looks very bullish, so any sort of a pullback in the medium short term could be a great buying opportunity. And now if we look at this in a smaller time frame, I mean here in a 4-hour time frame, you can see the upper trend line from this rising channel, ascending channel, is acting as a resistance. This upper trend line for now is looked as resistance. So if the price is going to follow a move in this manner, higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern, you can see where is our next bearish target. Our next bearish target is this lower trend line, which is above 90,000. So even if the bearish scenario for now starts playing out, price failing to overcome this falling trend line resistance into support, even in that case, we have support from this 20 exponential moving average. And even if that fails and price starts showing another continuation to the downside, you can see we are going to be above 90,000. Even in the bearish case, we are going to be above 90,000, which is going to give one of the best buying opportunity in my opinion. And right after that, we are going to head towards the upper trend line. So if the price in the immediate short term fails to regain its strength or fails to overcome this resistance, we are expecting Bitcoin to get attracted towards this 95,000 area, support area, and right after that continue with this actual bullish move. So you can see, looking in the different time frame, looking to different scenarios, even if the price in the immediate short term starts showing bearishness following this rising wedge which is playing out parallelly, even that will be a great buying opportunity. I mean, even if the price starts showing weakness, gets attracted inside this 0.5, 0.618 Fibonacci line, the golden pocket label, doesn't matter. We are going to be above 90,000, and price after that is expected to show another continuation in this manner. So regardless of whatever happened, looking into different time frame, looking into different scenario, Bitcoin actually looks very, very bullish. So guys, in case of doubt, I suggest you to simply zoom out. So these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my vlog, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed these free bonuses from Bybit, Phemex, OKX, then I suggest you guys to check the video description, because these events, guys, these events are temporary. And if you are an experienced trader who want to trade with free money, take advantage of this market volatility, then definitely check it out. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye-bye.